Guys, good morning or whatever. Let's check. We have a news in 30 minutes. And your data don't like me, but I don't care. Germany PME manufacturing index, or what I read so fast. Okay, by the way, from today, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, live. I make some seclude. What is it? Yesterday, Asian low. We break a link low. It means we have today new Asian low. Here swing high. What is it? 345 pips. Something they almost day and a half. Nice. Okay, let's see where we have. Asian swing high. Open swing high a little higher. Okay, for us and not swing high. Okay. Interesting mobile data. So that maybe because I share hotspot. It's slow connection. Oh, don't care. We have 30 minutes till news. Let's see where is Emma. Emma eating last. Oh, I don't see time. So interesting. Okay, now 15 pips SL, 10 pips TP. Let's see how to break down and how to open. For me, it's interesting from here. Just a sell, maybe a buy when we break this level and check how to move. By the way, we hit 25k. This is why reject. I don't see the time. No, less than 5 minutes we have. It's okay. Okay. You can open, you can wake up, start to push down. When we come down, it's interesting if make a new low of London. Use the Asian low break, easy peasy. But instant reject. Let's try again. Around the 25. I have no data, but I can now switch through live network because it's cancel stream. Okay, let's see how to react for this here. I think mostly over here. It's a possible scalp here too. So buy. It's nice volume. It's a look at teeny sideway. Well, it's a 16 pips. But even better will be when fully reject and break down again and make a new London low. But let's see. Do you guys drink coffee or boring first candle? Or whatever cold or hot before whatever it's called in your place. Leaving nice big up. Now we flip and break down 2-3 times confirm. It's a good opportunity for sell. But we still wait into the Asian low before breaking the last minute. Pull it back, but rejected. Okay. Now it's making all fast click down, click up, after push it down, after push it up. Rejected this high a little early. Now trying to flip down. Nothing neuroscience, nothing basic science. Okay, let's see. It's opportunity for us creating, touch, baby, touch. Yeah, how touch? Immediately pull back the pips. Oh, it's two big pullbacks. And we don't see the time. By the way, 1, 2. I don't know when freeze the chart. This is December. Somewhere like here. Oh, it's a freeze very, very early. Don't refresh me. Okay, bye. Want Wi-Fi wasn't using Snowball. It's more important, not just for stream, but mainly for entries. Okay, we have something last minute. It's a new experience. Don't see the time, but it's okay because you see minutes on your mobile. When you open the London, and I see we are in the last minute. Sometimes it was less same enough. Okay, pushing up in the last minute. Let's see how to close in whatever seconds. I see trying to pulling back and pushing down. Okay, small wick up down. It's a possible go for a weak fill, but not so clear way knock. Maybe there to 20 pips it's okay, but here wait again a break. 13 pips just. And I see more like still pushing down because leave a big wick up. Let's see what to do. Mini wick up, push it down, bigger wick down, after bigger wick up, and trying to now to flip and can to flip still red down, and feeling the body. It's been bigger, bearish bearish push like bullish until I say the flip on the green. It's okay. Someone on the Wall Street is telling me it's just a joke. Yeah, for Thursday in 20 something minutes news. And since we have a volume, because it's a nice volume, it looks like a mini sideway, but it's a no trade range 54 pips. Let's say the 73 pips now. Yeah, very one night. You can for a next breakup go for a weak fill up to 20 pips, but it's 80% confirmation. 80% confirmation, 40 to 60% win rate. 90% confirmation, 70 to 90. Shoes you wear Way warrior. 4 bits. Okay, skip one trade opposite the trend. Because look, we have a downtrend from open. 278 pips downtrend. Downtrend. Oh, pullback. Pullback down. Pullback down. But look the trend line from open. Like skying. The weak field, this is why for me don't like. If you make your weak down and after start to push up and pull back and after nice volume push up. Okay, pushing up to 5-10 pips, pulling back 10-50. If you enter in a bit moment, you are out in 3 seconds. But let's see. Can be interesting maybe for a buy when leave lower, higher low, lower high. More interesting will be when push up somewhere here, make a week down and start to push up. Or don't make too much new lower high. Start to pushing down. Make even here higher low. It's interesting for a sell again. But now in no trade range area. No buy, no sell. Coffee time, guys. Last week start to enjoy coffee because I do better like in the nearest bar here. Not always about the price. It's maybe really most about how you enjoy, how good taste for you. It's coffee with stronger coffee, not gonna buy, with chocolate. Hello.
Hello. See you later. See you tomorrow.
See you. It's just guys from here. It's okay. Or some people are missing. Don't see me too early morning. Okay, last minute. No new higher high, no new lower low. It means start struggling in the middle. Now can be interesting when we break up here with a good volume. That's Solana show. We'll see. Break up here. It's interesting. Start to watch for a buy, or we need this Asian low to break down. No more options for me. Once you understand what is the different 80 and 90% confirmation from a 4 rules and strategy and etc. Because I don't use indicators. I just check where is IM50 because on GER40 it's interesting reaction. I can. It's a freeze 20 to 45. It's mean to the last refresh. Again, I don't read the calendar too. But doesn't matter. Almost 20 minutes to the news. Germany PM email manufacturers week now. Can bring good numbers, need to be continue up because economy is rising from some data and it's continue down. First, zipping out all news traders. They start making the money, and after going by, and sweep the liquidity from gamblers. It's not don't like or don't work trading or whatever. It's about the strategy, just the gambler mana dopamine, mana fast money, news, CPI, PPI, whatever, jobless, NFP, and it somehow doesn't work. You don't be like okay, breaking up, pushing up, touching. Let's see if to continue. If continue, break up 1 to 3, maybe too fast. You can go for a buy. Thursday was the same. I said you break up 1 to 3. I can't count because it was a too fast volume. But go for a buy. I explained before. I don't know how much time. If you're going on these streams, you understand. I was with my friend US 30 Live, first time. So okay, here's the answer. If here break up, it's a buy. If here break down, it's a sell. And after, okay, guys, I take everything once, and until 3 then I am out. I just touch it. What? I thought it possible to follow. But that's almost more than 3 years back. And I start my trading journey. Then I can't understand what's happening, and now I'm educating transparently on live stream. Life is changed, guys. Like moving on the island, whatever. Interesting. What I wanna say here, after some 5-6 pips, it's can be risky because it's a London high. And if we break up the London high next 15 pips, it's okay. Here is the same. You can try be from here, sweep the London low. But for me, it's no. No, it's not even 80% confirmation. And I don't know what is STTS. Tap on the comment. You know what is it. Most people don't know. I'm trying to tip something. Super Saiyajin, whatever. I like if you were my age and rise up on the Dragon Ball, but it's a little more interesting. Okay, we have a new candle, make a week up. Start up pushing down is the third candle. Fourth candle, nice. Make a new London low. Trying to flip, retesting this candlestick, this body, maybe 50% of this body of previous candle. But very nice close without a wick down. And after making a wick up, small, you started pushing down, make a new London low, even it's just a 3 pips. Now, if pushing down like a rubber effect, it's same like rubber effect, just we have a little wick up. I don't know, 108 pips. You don't break down this level also. I have a more confirmed hereby if Philippe, but I don't think we will have volume 30-40 minutes before news to flip. But I feel the tension on the market, sharks waiting the numbers. Shares can trade the news because have own capital, funded capital, or your money from the bank. What do you think? What make money? What make banks with the money? What do you have in the bank? Trade with this. Maybe GER40, maybe Ball, maybe BTC, whatever. It's semi-legal. You leave here the money. Bank think can we just do what not. It's a gray zone, but that's how it work the system. In some countries, when you leave money on the table, someone pick. It's something you forgot. You come back there after 1 week. Is that? Okay, trying to break down again. Mini breakdown. Happen once, but pulling back. 1, 2, big pullback. Ay. Okay, we break down for 8 pips more. Now we have answers on 5 pips. Okay, still it's okay. Let's see what's happened. Time we have last 2 minutes. I don't see how much exactly. It's a bit. Again, what's happened? Break down 2 pips. And pulling back 6, 8. Okay, I think it's best what you can do. Patient wait next candle. It's just about the time. I don't see now 1 minute how much, but the move. And so probably will patch down, but you don't know how much will pull back. And it's a new Asian low. We can work with this on the new candle. Maybe don't lose the volume. It's okay. Don't forget on rules. If you have on one account maximum trade on next candle and inside candle close, so don't cancel some new trading rules. I don't know on my account if you trade first phase. It's no new rules. It's not restricted in the first phase, but later phase 2 and funded. I think yes. I don't remember what was news. It was a medium or what, but on every prop firm, if you go on dashboard, they're showing it's restricted or not. You can filter based on chart, which is Germany, or what do you trade? Okay, pull it back something. Really to push. Oh, I do 13 pips. Okay, make a nice week up. Rejected the first London low. Nice. We'll try to break up. Let's see the bigger picture. What's happening here down? Here's the Thursday, Friday. I don't know which day was. Okay, I don't have time to play with this. Let's just see some first breakdown. Okay, it's a 2 pips. 2 pips about pull it back 12. It's bad because you need to calculate with your spread in out as speed. With a big volume and you have 1-2 pips, calculate 1-2 pips worst entry. This means lower if you take a sun and stop loss earlier hit. It's 2 to 4 pips. You have 15 pips or hit 20 to 30 is move real on the chart. You are out on 15 pips. It's easy math. But for me, it's the same like last candle. No, it's just deciding on the strange volume we enter, or me call it a no-trade day. I'm pushing down. Just I don't have time to lock the chart. 1, 2. Need a pullback. Need a pullback and break down again because it was a push, 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 push. Okay. If break again here without breaking up here, it's okay for ourselves. Here, push 5 pips. It's nothing happened to skip. Because if so fast you don't close 5 pips, you are now in entry or pending some pips in a loss. And in some seconds we will see if was a good to skip. And now it's at 12 pips pending loss. Plus ask a bit. 14. It's a leaking your stop loss. If you use same 12066 12066 RRR. You have something almost last minute. Don't share me Instagram story. Like this spotlight sun on me, not in my eyes. Could paint whatever, but no good signal. This is bad. Okay, last minute. That's for today. Sometimes you need to have a passion, like I explain when you enter here, it's so probably we can be new and take be your stop loss if you have 15 pips. If you don't have can be worse, the pending loss higher or lower. And if you don't have a strict risk management, it's bad. Now it's a pushing because coming news pushes in the last minute 10 pips like nothing, but don't gamble the last minute. If you don't cost 10 pips, you are on entry. I don't want this trade. It's strange. I forgot my mobile on charger. Okay, guys. Me personally don't try the last candle before news. How I say, we will see this week. Today Tuesday, Wednesday, and Wednesday and Thursday. This is how I set my free time on London Open. Skip Monday, Friday. It's not bad. Not bad. I plan something for these days when I skip on afternoon sessions. Same. I will say about more. It's like a intraday. I will try how it works. I come with on the futures will work very well. CFD. Not bad here as intraday or swing, but we'll see. We'll see. I will share my experience. This GER40 I shared signals for intraday swing. Not what I see it's less know people managing trade follow like like here on the live. Because here I repeat, explain other way the things why I enter, why not enter, why I preparing to enter if happens this. Maybe on intraday swing, okay, was thinking I enter the signal and that's the game. I'm not going to have a good risk management. If I say on funded 1% maximum or half percent maximum, it's a very good to follow because on me to use the same risk. And you need manage that trade. You make one entry, then you must stop loss on a break even. If we make a first X pips and start with maybe flip back, maybe continue, close partial profit manually, or if your accounts are allowed to enter for 4 to 5 times or 3 times, 2 times, 1 more times, then you can set on every your position other TP. You only check just tell you secure your position. E.g. hit TP1, you move your stop loss at entry or 5 pips in a profit. Let it run. You can jump on the sea or whatever do you wanna, because it's a worst case pulling back and closing around 2 to 5 pips on a break even in taking profit, or continue the way and start closing higher and higher profit. It's not bad. This is what I do in on gold in 2025. 20 pips stop loss, 20 pips take profit one, up to 40, 60, 80, 100, 120. It was a funny like a scallop, but in reality it was intraday. It works well because I focus, I don't know, 5 to 10 minutes after I set stop loss or break even left and run leftovers, or take a partial from runners, or later I move stop loss more in the profit and leave run more higher TP, and I say okay, I made a small profit, medium profit, or even higher profit. You know, this is what the beauty of intraday. But if you wanna search the entries, you need to be more on the chart, like here. Here I come 58. I open the chart. I make short analyze, make some lines. Yeah, 20-25 minutes we maybe enter, maybe no. Sometimes after 60 minutes we enter, 33-second trade, done. Bye bye guys, have a nice day. Or sometimes like Thursday. After 6 minutes we enter, after 8 minutes was a close together, 2 minutes stay. 58 we start the live, 10 island time. Let's finish. We made our, I don't know how much you risk now. Risk by 15%. It's a 10k account, it's not bad. Because once you understand, guys who scaled up live capital or funded capital to 2 million and making 0.25%, you just allowed it's not money, but start to calculate. If on 1 million funded account you made 1%, it's a 10k. It can be trade for a 5 second. I know it's a strange, but someday I explain how to calculate why we trade mostly funded capital. Because with 100 you can make here, I don't know, €1 daily. Sure, on funded capital you need first to prove you are not a gambler, you are a trader, you have strict rules, you don't lose big money. This is why we using low risk. But What is here 0.15%? It's on your live account from 100. It's a 50% risk. You make 4 mistakes. Bye bye. You haven't enough capital to open a micro lot. You need this? No. I think no. Look, news, make a week up, make a higher high from a previous candle, rejected this strongest SR, and now trying to push down, break this down, and make a new low. But it's just so fake, this news. I don't believe even German news. I don't know who write this news, who made this the statistics. So like here on the island saying one people, 2 cats. You go out on the street and you have 20 cats around in the night. I don't know, maybe this statistic made through the day. We are here too close and just a 1 cat. It's a half cat on a half on a house. You can't believe all statistic numbers, whatever. It's not about because trading is a bad. You believe your confirmation price action more like some magical numbers. I make about real this news predictors how wanna predict big US news. And sometimes NFP it's less in 1 second, 40 pips up, 40 pips down. Okay, if you take a buy, you win, maybe, but it's a slippage. It's so impossible. Look, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower high, lower low. Open the candle and without wick up pushing up. I can now check the news. I don't know. Someone check the news on investing forex factory, whatever. Guys, I can check. Here I can check. Com. We are on modern. Here's that we forgot we have a browser on the on notebook too. Well, I have so busy network from streaming. Forex factory.
You're matching so well. You're matching everything.
It's so interesting for me. It's a busy network and don't fall down the stream. But it's good. I don't say it's a bad, just interesting. But still looking better the island data like this. So if I hit, look, this is why I say it's a gambling. The data week down push it up much 70 pips. Now after big rank and low without a week up pushing down in the first minute push it down 25 pips. If you wanna play lottery, go to the lottery shop. I don't know. It's a pure lottery. Yeah, you can make with our risk big money. But where you can make a big money, you can lose a big money. Because you take all in, but your free margin allow. Yeah, but if you don't hit 50% if it's a burn account, maybe if you hit okay, made you some nice money, but how many times you can repeat? 0, 1. One burn account, 1 per second, one burn account, 1%. It's a zero income. Maybe now interesting when here to break up, but I don't feel trade because here is coming it's a strong SR in 12 pips. We literally don't have a volume because don't watch this 70 pips. Yeah, 70 pips, big volume share. No, no, it's just a fake push up because I say it's a not good volume because if you will go to volume, make a big down and continue up and break the SR and retest and break up again and make a new London high, and we don't do. Here is the open candle. If you break up here, okay, here is a 15 pips. If you break next SR, next sweep, new London high. Make it, don't make it. That's why I don't trade. Okay. I think it was the longest no trade live session. That's okay. I finished the coffee and thinking what to do. Program just for afternoon. Nice. Maybe I cut for you something from a live from vacation. Going to check our mini kitten baby. I don't know, whatever. Enjoying the life. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. Have a nice day.